This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Are you not cooking for a large group this year? Are you tired of throwing money down the drain, cooking those super large turkeys for small groups of people? Maybe you don't like dark meat. Well, this is the recipe for you, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a delicious bone-in honeysuckle turkey breast today. We're going to show you some tips and tricks how to knock this out of the park. We've got the RT590 rolling right along at 350 degrees. We're burning the Kingsford hickory pellet for a good, delicious, traditional smoke flavor today. This recipe is super easy. You guys see we have a delicious turkey breast here, bone-in. I'm just going to do a couple things to it. We're going to remove a little bit of excess skin. I'm going to take out this turkey timer. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, do not listen to this thing. This is just a piece of plastic. 9 times out of 10, it is going to pop at the wrong time, and you are going to overcook and dry out your turkey. So just throw it away. You don't even need it. Just as long as you've got a good temperature probe, you're good to go, okay? All right, so we've got this beautiful bone-in turkey breast. I'm just going to remove some of this excess skin here because, again, it's just going to dry out and not render down. And then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to get my hand in here, and I'm going to separate the skin from the breast meat. And this is going to do a couple of things for us. It's going to allow us to put some delicious garlic herb butter up underneath the skin, but it's also going to allow that skin to crisp up. We've got our herb butter here. Make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for more amazing content just like this, or how to make this herb butter. So we'll take this herb butter, place it up underneath our skin, and my technique is to help use the skin to my advantage and help spread it out much more evenly. So the first thing we're going to season this bad boy with is going to be some Colden's Freakin Greek Rub, available at recteq.com. That's RECTEQ.com. All right, and then we're going to end with some delicious Casanova's Competition Rub. It's a little bit finer, and it's got some of that paprika in it, so it's going to give us some delicious flavor as well as color on the end. How easy is that? We're done. Now we're going to head on outside, out to the deck, and we're going to slap this bad boy in that RT590, and it's going to take about 15 minutes per pound at 350 degrees. All right, guys, we'll see you at the recteq. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't want to cook the super large turkeys, if you don't like dark meat, this is the recipe for you. Look how beautiful this turkey breast turned out. And of course, it takes less time to cook as well. But if you do have a large family and they don't like dark meat, then you can cook a couple of different turkey breasts just like this. You know, you can try a Cajun style. You can also do a super Italian and place this breast on top of slices of lemons and herbs and let those aromatics penetrate it during the cook as well. If you're looking for some amazing recipes this holiday season, make sure you subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channels. I'm Jody Flanagan, BBQ Dad. We'll see you at the recteq.